Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to pay with Google Pay on Steam. So if you want to use or purchase on Steam but using Google Pay, unfortunately there is no direct ways to purchase on Steam with Google Pay. So instead you can use your Google Pay to purchase a gift card and then use it on Steam through the gift card. So that's the workaround we have. So to do that, what you're going to do, you're going to simply go to like Amazon or eBay and then get a gift card, a Steam gift card from there. So if you search for a gift card, you'll get one here. So just choose a gift card from Steam. So just choose that, and then here what you're going to do, you're going to buy and pay with your Google Pay. So hit on buy now, and then simply choose, when you get to the payment method here, simply choose UPI option. Okay, so simply choose the UPI option and then enter your UPI ID, which is from your Google Pay. So enter ID, enter that, and then hit on verify, and then complete this transaction using your Google Pay. Once you have now paid, so now you have the Steam card. So all you can do now is simply go to Steam. Simply go to Steam, and then when you purchase any item here, so once you're on the payment page here on your Steam, to complete your transaction, simply select your wallet, your prepaid wallet. Simply select your prepaid wallet, and then simply select your prepaid wallet, and then you can complete this transaction. So this is the only way how you can use Google Pay on Steam via the gift card, as there is no direct ways of doing it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.